Hello everyone, I did the unboxing of this Anker product before. Now today I will share my experience and thoughts. In the meantime, I am just showing you what it came with. I mean the accessories. I am using these earbuds for about 2 months now. I am sharing my honest opinion that will surprise you. I think these are awesome in both look and sound quality. When I first experienced them, the thing surprised me was the build quality, but the bass was average, and as a bass sucker I wasn't surprised. I always play with equalizer. The stock bass was good and I could experience every bit of sound, but a little bit. I wanted low voice and deep bass, and finally I found an excellent PC equalizer. I will show you the setup I am using right now. I turned the high frequency down a bit and low frequency up high, and that was what I want. Now the bass feels crazy deep and clean, and I can feel subwoofer kind of vibration feel. The bass boost in my PC sound setting, and the EQ enhanced the bass more than 50%, and I was afraid of losing the longevity of the drivers, but I am enjoying the same amount of bass and quality still now. So I think these tiny little 6mm drivers are capable of doing so much, but if you care of them like me, don't turn the low frequency all the way up to 15 decibel, and from 7 to 10 decibel you will get deep bass, I hope. But in some case over 12 decibel at 60 Hz can break the bass. I found my favorite settings, and for more detailed sound is crystal clear and enjoyable. Actually, it took about 112 to 115 minutes to charge it up from low battery warning. The charge lasts about 6 to 6.5 hours at say 60 to 70% volume. I never go over 70%. You can watch 3 plus movies at a single charge, and this is good enough, I think. Another nice thing is the high quality circular black cool looking pouch to carry them right there. This makes them really premium in every aspect. So at the end I am satisfied. So I think I have covered all the important pros and cons of this Anker SoundBuds Slim Plus earbuds. So if you like my video, then please hit the like button and subscribe into my channel and support me. So thank you guys, take care, bye.